There are many apps and websites that can help pregnant women and new parents with various aspects of their journey. Some of the best ones are: 1. The Bump. This app provides daily information relevant to your pregnancy, along with community and expert advice. You can also compare your baby's size to fun items, get baby name inspiration, and take week-by-week photos of your growing belly. 2. Glow Baby. This app lets you and your partner track your baby's diapers, feedings, solid food, naps, sleep, and more. You can also get personalized summaries and interactive growth charts, as well as connect with other parents in the Glow community. 3. Baby Sparks. This app gives you hundreds of activities to stimulate your baby's development in areas such as cognitive, language, motor, and social skills. You can also get daily tips, progress reports, and personalized programs for your baby. 4. Peanut. This app connects you with other like-minded moms and moms to be in your area. You can chat, join groups, arrange meetups, and share experiences with other women who understand what you're going through. 5. Baby List. This app helps you create a baby registry that works for you. You can add items from any store, including online retailers, local shops, and handmade goods. You can also get recommendations, discounts, and free samples from Baby List. How can I find a good pediatrician? Finding a good pediatrician can be a challenging task, especially for new parents. You may want to consider some of the following factors when looking for a pediatrician. 1. Qualifications and experience. You may want to check the pediatrician's credentials, such as their education, training, certification, and specialization. You may also want to know how long they have been practicing and how familiar they are with the latest medical guidelines and research. 2. Location and availability. You may want to choose a pediatrician who is close to your home or workplace, so that you can easily reach them in case of emergencies or regular checkups. You may also want to know their office hours, how to make appointments, how to contact them after hours, and how they handle urgent situations. 3. Communication and rapport. You may want to find a pediatrician who listens to your concerns, answers your questions, explains things clearly, and respects your preferences. You may also want to feel comfortable and trustful with the pediatrician, as well as their staff and colleagues. 4. Services and facilities. You may want to know what kind of services and facilities the pediatrician offers, such as immunizations, screenings, referrals, prescriptions, lab tests, and hospital affiliations. You may also want to know how they handle billing, insurance, and records. One way to find a good pediatrician is to ask for recommendations from your family, friends, county workers, or other healthcare providers. You can also use online resources, such as websites or apps, that provide information and reviews about pediatricians in your area. For example, if you are located in Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia, you can use the following websites or apps. 1. Halodoc. This app provides a list of pediatricians in Semarang, along with their profiles, schedules, fees and ratings. You can also book appointments and consult with them online. 2. Lokadoc. This website helps you find and learn more about pediatricians in Semarang, as well as other specialties and locations. You can also read reviews from other patients and make appointments online. 3. Dr. Mulyono SP. This is the profile of a pediatrician who practices in Semarang. You can find out more about his background, services and contact details. You can also create an appointment with him online. I hope this helps you find a good pediatrician for your child's smile.